What's up guys, Captain Grease here. Today I'm doing a review video. What am I doing a review video on, you ask? The GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now if you guys are interested in getting one of these, there's a link in my bio below, guys. So it's gonna change the game a little bit on how I film and the content that I create for my channel. You guys are gonna get a first person view now of what I see. So in this video here, I'm going to be going over the camera quality of it, testing it out, going through mud holes, hopefully getting stuck today. We're also going to be going through how easy it is to use this camera. I'm not a camera type of guy. I'm not very technical and all that stuff with this kind of things, but it's actually a really easy camera to learn how to use. So let's get the good old John Deere loaded up. Let's head on out, guys. And we are out here. So another real cool thing with the GoPro Hero 9 is you can control it with your phone and you can hit record. So let's go on to the GoPro, guys. All right. Like I said, you can hit record just on your phone. It's pretty neat. Put that back in my pocket. Away we go. Well, as you guys just saw the big clump of mud flying at you, there's that. So what GoPro says to kind of do, take this off, pour some water on it, and clean it off. But I don't have any water on me, so we're just gonna go to this greasy mud pile and kind of get some of that stuff off. Kind of give it a good old, yeah, look at that. Clean her up. Look at that. Good as new. She's ready to go back filming. Alright guys, so we got the quad all washed up, cleaned up after today's riding. Cleaned up the GoPro here a little bit. It did get a little messy. Like I said, it is super easy to use. I learned how to use this camera within seconds here. You can switch between videos, photos, and then your time lapse. Super easy to go to just swipe up, and then you can go and watch all your footage that you just took. I know it's kind of hard to see here, guys, but it's really easy. It also has voice control, which can make your life super simple. But yeah, no, overall it's a really great camera. Shoots wonderful quality, I would say. You can shoot 4K, 5K, 1080. It's really great. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. There's going to be a lot more filming done with this GoPro Hero 9 Black. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, subscribe. And if you guys want, go watch some of my other videos about Quadzilla here, or Deerzilla, whatever you'd like to call it. And we'll be coming soon with another video about the lift kit and the spacers that I put on. Ooh, she looks pretty sexy there. Thanks for watching, guys.